Hi, my name's Michael, and I'm going to be showing you how to back up your hard drive directly to the cloud using Drivestash. So I'm on the Drivestash website, and I am going to be using the business backup plan that they have. It has a lot of different powerful backup features, including limited speeds, auto-threading, cloud backups, disk to image, and it's for a pretty good price, $19 per month per terabyte and $6 per month per device. So if we head over pricing, you'll see all the different features you can get on the business backup plan. It includes 1 terabyte of storage, disk to image to cloud, and MySQL backups. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open up the Drivestash Cloud Backup app, and I'm going to add a protected item. You're going to give the new protected item name. I'm going to call it full disk image, and I'm going to select disk image and click next, and I'm going to select my hard drive. You can select multiple disks to back up to the cloud. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to select my hard drive that I have. I'm not going to include unused disk sectors for forensic data recovery. You might want to enable this if you care about restoring any type of deleted data on that hard drive. So if you're a company or an enterprise that wants the deleted data, you check this and you can get any data that's been deleted if you use a forensic data recovery service to get that information recovered. So I'm going to click next. I'm not going to add any extra commands, and I'm going to choose a schedule. So let's pick a schedule. I'm going to go to time, and I want it to run daily at midnight. Perfect. So you can also add some other commands such as when PC starts if the last job was missed. I'm not going to do that. And you have some other options here you could select. And it's going to be using the Drivestash Cloud Backup storage vault that comes with the plan that I purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save, go to Next, and now I'm going to select the retention policy. If you don't select or edit your retention policy, it's going to use the default one, which I think it backs up forever. So you can keep a range of days, so you can keep the last 15 backups. You can have you could pretty get complicated on what you want to back up and how many days you want to back up. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep all the backups forever until my 1 terabyte of space is used. So I'm going to click OK, keep all backups forever, and click Next. And I'm going to run a job at the same time. So there we go. I executed my first full disk image backup job. It's pretty quick. I mean, Drivestash's uploads and downloads are really fast, and there are no throttling on the networks, and you have unlimited restores and unlimited backups to use. So it's pretty powerful. But my one biggest favorite feature of Drivestash's cloud backup is it only does incrementals forever. So the first job, when it syncs, is going to take maybe 15-20 minutes depending on how much disk space you have, and then every backup job after that should take maybe 95% faster than the first backup job. So you'll see that this backup job maybe takes 20 minutes, and then tomorrow's at midnight, my next backup job will take 5 minutes or less, because it only records the changes of your disk, of the information on your disk. So basically it's going to see the changes of my disk drive, and it's only going to upload the changes. It's not going to keep taking full backups of my 400 gig disk drive. So that means my 1 terabyte of space at Drivestash is going to last me a long time. So that's one of the cool things about incremental backups with the Drivestash. Another amazing feature that the disk image to cloud that Drivestash business plan offers is that once we do a restore from our, once we click restore and we restore our disk, we can either, back it directly up to another hard drive and plug it right back into our computer, and it works perfectly. It's just a replica of your hard drive. Or we can restore it to a virtual machine, such as a Hyper-V instance or a VMware instance. So we can go from physical to virtual or virtual to physical. You can go back and forth, and it restores directly to devices or partitions on bare metal recovery. So it's super powerful in taking disks and uploading them to the cloud, and a lot of different backup companies actually don't offer this. So that is one thing that Drivestash is great at, is storing your actual drive directly to the cloud.